evening, everyone. Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar, and today is Monday, February 15th. It's President's Day, and the markets are actually closed today. Futures markets are trading, but don't expect any action, and I would advise not trading. At any rate, let's go over the news of the morning to see if we can find some kind of sentiment as where the market will be headed. You're looking at the homepage of the Wall Street Journal, and they're talking about risky debt being snapped up by investors, and that could possibly not bode well for those companies that have risky balance sheets. Some talk about GameStop, oil price highs, stock futures edging higher. Nothing really negative to talk about the market and to give us any kind of insight as to a downside to this market. The market has been headed up in a almost bubble. Let's see what the economic calendar has for us. And today, of course, Monday, February 15th, President's Day holiday, the markets are closed. So there's really nothing that's going to happen that's going to cause any market movement. Tomorrow, Tuesday, February 16th, Empire State Manufacturing Index, and that's not going to have any movement to the market. Now, if you've taken my course, you got the recap of the previous day's action, together with the highest probability trading entries and exits for the market, and which way and when those entries and exits should have been made. Let me give you the recap of that day. There were two entry points on February 12th, both to the upside, one at 10:30 and the other at 3:15. The 10:30 entry point wasn't so obvious, and perhaps many of you had stopped trading at that 10:30 time frame. But of course, there was an entry point at 10:30, as I called it. There were two trades to the upside, one at 10:30, one at about 3:15. The one at 10:30 was very difficult to ascertain, and I'm calling it an entry point only because in retrospect, in hindsight, but it really was difficult. If you caught it, you were lucky, or you were very prescient on your consideration of where prices were going at that point in time. Was there a trend? There was no real trend to the day except in the last trading hour of the day. There were possibly 16, 18 points that you could have made if you found both entry points and you stayed on, you weren't shaken off. The profit potential, again, 16, 18 points, has significant profit potential whether you're trading the Emini or the micro Emini. But as I said, I go over that in detail in my course. So if you haven't taken my course, take the course. It's not expensive. It'll give you a good insight as to the market, very good training, and you can't go wrong with it. At any rate, this is Marv Eisen for Timeless Dollar. Happy trading. We're not going to be trading today because it's a holiday. So we're going to do this again tomorrow. And thanks for watching. I'll see you on my next video.